Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to Knox Asian Recipes. Today, fried veggie dumplings. Dumplings are great food in Asia. You could have them, of course, in your soup, steam them. And so here's all the ingredients you're gonna need. Jicama and yam are peeled, then grated. Everything else is chopped finely. And she'll start by combining the grated jicama, which is also known as Mexican yam bean. And this is a yam or a kind of sweet potato, could probably use any one, peeled and grated. And next then she's just gonna add the rest of her ingredients, chopped carrot, chopped celery, chopped green onion, and then of course, salt and pepper and mushroom sauce for flavor. So once all the ingredients are in the bowl, it's just a matter of combining them, mix them up really nicely, get the flavor all throughout the dumpling filling. So Nak is working with dumpling skins that she buys frozen and then just takes them out as needed. And she'll just peel off a skin. And this first one, she's doing it without wetting it, but you're going to want to wet the edges. It helps it stick together better, as you'll see when she makes another one. So homemade dumplings are the best because you get to decide the quality of the filling, and you can put a little bit more filling in each dumpling as long as you're able to wrap it up and make it stick together. So these guys are ready for the deep fryer, and Nok will start off with medium heat. You don't want to cook them too fast. You don't want to burn them, but she'll get them nice and brown. And of course, she'll plate it with a little tomato and lettuce, have some chili sauce on the side. We hope you guys will try this at home. They're great, they're delicious, great comfort food. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you next time. Bon appetit!